Hello everybody, my name is Michael and welcome to a quick overview of my website. So this website is currently hosted using GitHub pages. So if in case you want to view and like to explore the website yourself, you can go to jtme.github.io project 0. So we'll be visiting that site same here, jtme.github.io project 0. Alright, so it takes you straight up to the index page, which is index.html. So what's here on the index.html? Nothing more, just the hello world and a group of URLs held in a table. So this is it. This is the code, just the hello world and a table showing us the URL. Alright, so we go up straight to the welcome page, which shows us this lovely simple page that has an image and links going back to some other links that are already here already. So it's just telling us you're welcome, and then going to the contact. Here on the contact where we have more. So on this contact, if you notice the background has changed. So I did not put this as an image on the HTML file. No, I put it on the style sheet. So this is it on contact me.scss. So I placed it here in the body on background image, and this is it. So rather than putting it on the HTML file itself, no. So I placed the background image in the body in the style sheet. Alright, so we have buttons here, 3 buttons with emojis at the back. So the emojis, these 4 emojis, the one behind home, the one behind email, and the one behind phone. So that is done using this. So the one behind home, this is it. The one behind the mail, and the one behind phone, and the one behind contact me, this is it. So all these you can get them on if you would like to, you can get them yourself using this. So you can always get them. So I'm using this HTML code to generate so as many as you want to. Alright, so and now okay, so for the buttons I'm using a bootstrap component called collapse. So whenever I click, it shows me some content, and whenever I click again, it collapses the content. So here is the code for that. So I placed 3 buttons on contact.html, and then on another list I have list of buttons. The first one is the home. The second list is a button. On the second list we have a button called image, and in the third list we have a button called phone. Now this is the bootstrap component I'm using. So I'm currently using bootstrap 4, and the component is collapse. So what does this collapse does? It references to a data target, which is demo 1, demo 2, which is demo 1, demo 2, and it picks my email here and shows me whenever I click on the home button. So that is what we have here. So whenever I click on the home button, it shows me my email, and whenever I click on the email, it shows me my email, and whenever I click on the phone, it shows my phone. Then, however, I can also collapse each and every of this whenever I want to. I can either ways. So whenever I click, it shows me whatever I have. Alright, then we go to about me. So on the about me screen, it shows nothing much. So on the about me screen, we have just this and that. So almost same thing as the resume. So what I want you to notice again is the header. It never goes out of screen whenever it gets to the top page. You see, it stays there. You notice that it stays. Other wordings goes, but it stays. Also the footer, it stays whenever it gets to the bottom of the page. It stays. All right. So one thing again that I've added here that you might have not noticed is this. So whenever you open this, whenever it gets to some screen, to the certain sizes, it removes the background image. Yeah. So the background image is off. Yeah. So that is, you can see it here from the screen using from the CSS. So the at media maximum width, whenever it gets to 600 pixels, it removes the background image and changes it to none. And then on the header, the heading and the descriptor, it changes the background effect and the color, text shadow, and the font weight back to nothing. Alright, so I would leave you to that, to going through to check the website itself on jtme.github.io project 0. Alright, thank you.